We're gonna blow shit up.
Oh. Yeah, technology. Oh yeah, balls again.
You seem to like being a ball.
Hell yeah.
You might want to kill these guys first, James.
What?
I'm
dead.
Am I? Oh, I'm there. Bye.
Someone pick me up.
Well, yeah, if we let you die, then it's game over, so...
Ready?
Yeah. Can't remember.
Why?
That's why I panicked early when I was on 1 second.
Why would it be game over?
Oh, I'm supposed to, like, inspire teamwork. But it'll give you, like, a game over and it'll restart us if someone dies. Well, if the counter's there and someone dies, it will. If you just jump off and die, it won't. Come on then, Boltor.
I'm ready now.
You almost went over the top then, Chris.
No, it looked like you were too.
Hang on, everyone, get your ball.
Why let me press circle?
Right, so Chris, use the... No, Chris, come out and use the fan. Okay, well, James, you're already out, so you go do the fan.
Oh my god.
Someone get the ball, someone get the ball.
I'll use the ball.
James.
Oh, come on.
What fan?
This fan here. You have to hold circle on it.
The one we're hugging.
You have to move it, yeah. Right, hang on, Chris, come towards the middle.
That's the closest I
Guys
can
are
get.
useless.
Oh. No.
Oh.
Come on! Do we need to like...
Okay,
do
James, you try to get the ball. Oh, let's give us 5 seconds, James, get the ball. Chris, you stay there. James, go in the middle.
I'm a genius.
Who's my idea?
Easy.
Carried the team. You're awfully red.
Yeah. It's my red ender.
Why are you red and Chris isn't? You got the same health. Oh, he is red.
He is red. Right, hang on.
The hell is this thing?
We don't need that just yet. Well, hang on. Right, do these buttons. Right, this side, this way, guys, this way. Someone grab this switch. Right, now over here. This way. Yeah. You want to turn it around.
Yeah, I'm working on it, but you... There you go. Let go!
Yeah, such a pain in the arse, James. Where's the other switch we had? Oh, I guess that was it. Someone put it in. No, did you put it in the connector?
Yeah.
Oh.
Shit.
Everybody pull!
Another one.
Yeah.
damn it.
There's
How many of these guys are there?
I'm not taking no prisoners.
Hey, balls.
Who's gonna win the race? I'm winning! James, press X.
Yeah, right.
I'm dead. Revive me!
I'm caught.
Don't die, James, don't die! I don't even know where I am. Oh, I'm there.
Let's get out of here. What the hell are you, Chris?
You fatties was in my way.
Well, that's why you jump over us.
Winning. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, screw that.
No, we have to do that. James, you could have done this first.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, maybe we only need to be 2.
No.
I need to do a thing first, don't I?
No, this first. Go get your ball back.
I can't.
Pain in the arse.
Well, I didn't know there was a thing.
You
That
did know
thing.
there was a thing.
Oh shit.
Do we need a ball?
Put that in here. Right.
A fan?
Hang on.
Yeah, now you do that fan.
No. No, open that. Okay, that brings that. Right. James, you see that little bit by Chris? Go to that one. Take that. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Alright, keep on there. No, stay on it. Move forward. And
Ta-da! Something happened.
We did it. That was easy.
yeah, we haven't.
That
Right.
was- we knew what we was
Hang
doing.
on. Right, Chris, go back on the fan.
Can you grab that power director?
Oh yeah.
Don't come off
There we
it.
go.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
So I'm a fucking genius.
Oh no, normal elevator.
Let's roll.
I think this is the end of it now. Everyone get your ammo.
Oh, is Emma?
Yeah. We got switches here as well.
Just gonna move this baby first. If it lets me.
No, leave that there.
Oh.
Mm.
I might as well move it. Oh shit.
There we go.
This way, James, down here.
Do 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 do.
Oh, it does have to be moved. Oh well.
I think I'm in a little bit of trouble here.
You've got 1 bar of health. It's good enough.
Cherry.
Well, says James.
I'm in the money.
Right, somebody grab that other switch on the other side. Yep. Now connect them.
Hey Chris.
Hey,
We just made sex. We had sexy time.
we made power.
Why you no invite me?
No.
But I like sexy time.
Life ain't fair.
Yeah. I think that was the last one though. Hopefully.
Uh-huh.
It was the last one.
Woo! He definitely has a beak.
No. I don't think he has a nose.
Or a nose. I don't think he has a nose.
Not reaching.
Don't get so close they can grab you.
Yeah.
The fuck? Did he hit me?
Yes, and he killed you.
Oh, cheers.
Looks all
Oh,
these
what the fuck
bolts,
was going on
James.
Ah, shit.
James, grab all those bolts here.
Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, and there's a thing too.
Yeah, and there's another box up here.
I thought Chris was gonna get that.
Yeah.
No, I'm saying critters.
Right, so
Oh, you mean
Chris,
this one?
big bolt. Right.
Da-da-da. Oh, shit.
102,000 bolts, James. And that's just in this mission.
Oh yeah, fuck.
Lols!
Oh, wow.
Oh, I did not know there was a double points. Sorry about that, James.
It's all good. What am I doing with this thing?
Nothing, it's just one of those breaking boxes.
Get ready, Ratchet.
The double bolts do not last long.
No, especially when you've got cutscenes like this.
Well, it's already lost.
Yeah, I know, but it does that sometimes.
Hmm.
It's like, yeah, double boats. Or not. Oh,